Today we have a 2013 Hyundai Veloster, stock reference number 5512. The shape runs from the 12th month 2011 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a G4FD 1.6 litre full cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. G4FD 1.6 litre full cylinder petrol engine. We have the left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.